Hey guys, Paul here. Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna show you accessories for Model 3 and Model Y that I believe the new owner and soon to be the owner of Model 3 and Model Y should consider getting them, and I'll put the link of each accessory in the description down below. Let's get started. There are a few things here that I got them even before taking delivery of this Tesla Model 3. First thing that I think you should get even before everything else is this NEMA 1450 adapter, because if you're planning to charge at home with 240 volt outlet, you will need to get this from Tesla. Then definitely a must is the home charging cable organizer, because if you don't get this, guess where your cable is gonna be? Of course, it's gonna be on the floor and making a big mess. Really convenient to pull out and charge. After you're done, put it back in neatly. It's really easy to install, only take a few minutes and totally worth it. Next, all-weather floor mat. If you are ordering standard range Model 3, it won't come with any kind of floor mat, so this is a must-get for the new owner. The reason why I suggest all-weather floor mat over the carpet floor mat, because it's really easy to clean and you can just take it out and wash them if you want to. The next one is the screen protector for your main screen. This is absolutely another must-have item, because you want to protect your screen that you use every single day, just like you do it on your phone and your iPad. The next accessories are the mud flaps. This is another must-have accessories for Model 3 and Model Y, because it will protect debris from the street that kick up from the front wheels to the side of your car. It will protect the side of the car being damaged from those debris. In my own experience, before I installed these mud flaps, I would have these splashes from here to here all the time. There are different prices out there, but I would suggest to get the decent one, because some of the lower cost ones usually don't fit right, especially this part where it attached to the wheel arch right here. Okay, the next one is the center console storage organizer. It doesn't seem to be essential, but the more you use it, the more you realize that how much you need it, because both Model 3 and Model Y have this really deep storage. Let's say you keep piling up all the stuff in here, and the next thing you know, you can't really find anything when you need them. So this storage organizer, it's really help you clean up and make everything organized. I got this one actually not from Amazon.com. Really nice material. I actually got it from tparts.us. They offer really reasonable price. So after I got the storage organizer from T-Parts and check out their website and realized they have a lot of accessories from Model 3 and Model Y, instead of me taking hours reading reviews comparing products on Amazon.com, they offer good quality products with reasonable price. It's a lot convenience for me to just order from one website. So I decided to get the rest of my accessories from tparts.us. Usually take a few days to get the order. Here they are, everything in one box. Really convenient. Let's open the box. Here they are, everything I ordered from tparts.us. Let's take a look at them and install it in my Model 3. These are few more accessories that I ordered from tparts.us. It came in together in one box, and they came in these really nice packaging. I am a designer myself, so I appreciate this little touch to make the product looks better. And let's open this one first. Silicone cup holder. And here is the product. The silicone itself feels really good in your hand. It has that soft touch feel. So those 3 bumps inside, which will hold the cup in place. I will show you why you need this silicone cup holder for your Tesla. Let's go install it. Here's the reason why you would probably need this silicone insert for your Tesla. So I never put one in, and there's a lot of mess in there, and they're not super easy to clean. And one more reason, this is probably a main reason. So let's say you have a coffee cup ordered from Starbucks or wherever you get your coffee. Without that silicone insert, your cup will go shaking like that when you drive, and it will be easy to spill your coffee or drinks. So with this insert in like that, and when you put your cup in, no more shaking, no more wiggling for your coffee cup, your drink cup, and it's locked in here, easier to clean. So if you want to clean it, you basically pull it out, wash it outside, leave it dry, put it back in, and use it again. It's really good accessory to have for your Model 3 and Model Y for sure. This is fast charging USB hub for your center console. Normally your Tesla Model 3 and Model Y only comes with 2 USB-C, and this one will give you more charging ports. As you can see here, even labeled 2 data ports. These are fast charging, so it will help you charging more than just 1 or 2 devices at the same time, but now you can charge 4. Let's install this in my Model 3. Okay, there are 2 USB-C ports here inside the center console of your Model 3, and there are 2 USB-C plug here in the back of USB fast charging port. And just plug them in, make sure you align it, click, that's it. It's really simple and easy to do. So now instead of 2 USB-C ports that you have, now you have 4, 2 USB data and 2 fast charging ports, 1 USB and 1 USB-C. Let's try to charge everything all together. Now I have all 4 ports charging. The first one is iPad, charging iPad right here. It's charging. The camera, this one, camera is charging. The green light's charging. This one is the wireless earpods, it's also charging. And the last one is data, which is wireless controller. It's connecting right now. It's connected. I also got this wireless controller from T-Parts. I made the whole video about this controller. Please click the link on the right hand side and check out the whole video of this controller. I've been using this controller actually every single day, because when I go and pick up my daughter, have to wait for her to finish the school, then I'll have like 15-20 minutes, you know, to wait and play this game. So this controller, it's really fun. I didn't realize how much I needed until I got it. And this one is a must-have for those of you who have kids or kid like I have one daughter, and she loves to watch her iPad while we're on the road trip. This is the backseat tablet or phone holder. Let's open it. let's try to fit in my Model 3 and see how it functions. Before we can install this iPad holder in the Tesla, you have to put the ball joint in the back of the holder first. In order to do that, unscrew this part in the back of the holder until it's loose. You can put the ball joint in, snap, then you screw it back in. Now it's ready to install. To install it, it's really simple. You see the clip over here? There's a plastic bag in the back of the passenger, front passenger. This plastic on the top here, that's not secure with anything here. There's no glue. So you just snap that clip inside. Just like that. Now it's installed. You can pull this to open. Same way to the top part. And just like that, it holds the iPad in place. You can also rotate to vertical and rotate again to horizontal, even up, down motion. This is the performance foot paddles for your acceleration pedal and the brake pedal for Model 3 and Model Y. This is not really essential, but if you want your car to look more sporty, then this is a must. Let's open it. Let's try to install in my car. Okay, before you can install these performance pedals to your Tesla, you need to remove the old one first. There you go. So when you removed it, it's basically just the metal there. Let's put the new one back in. The brake pedal is done. Now let's try to install the gas pedal. It's a little tricky, but it's not that hard. So the trick is, you try to put it on one side first. The top, those tabs that came with it, these little tabs help you pull the bottom part, the last part you want to install in. Really simple. Looks good. So this is the last piece that I got from T-Parts here, the trunk mat. I didn't realize I need this until a couple months after I bought a car. Of course, I made a huge mistake. Went to grocery store, I spilled something from what I bought from grocery store, and it's a nightmare to clean this felt, and it can't come off, you know. So you have to clean it and open the trunk and let it dry. So after that day, I knew I need this item. Okay, now let's put it in the trunk. The reason why I got this trunk mat from T-Parts, because their trunk mat has this edge tray like around it, all around the mat. So imagine you spill something, some water, some liquid, it will stay in here, inside this area. It won't come off, even you drive the car. And it fits really well in my Model 3. And also this function, there's a divider right here, which make it easier to open the bottom part of the trunk to gain access to the bottom, and the trunk mat still stay the same. You close it down, put it back, and that's it. So this is really good trunk mat. I highly recommend if anyone's looking for a trunk mat. Don't make the same mistake that I did. Get one for yourself. Okay, these are Rimetrix wheel covers. I also did the whole video when I ordered this and the whole installation for this Rimetrix wheel cover, just click the link on the top right hand corner to see the whole video of this one. This is really useful wheel cover, but be careful when you install it. Make sure you apply all the cushion foam in the back of the cover before you install the cover on your wheels. And this will keep efficiency of your car similar to original cover that came with the car and makes your wheel looks good. It actually looks like a 19 instead of 18 inch on the Tesla Model 3. So these are really good accessories that you should consider getting them for your car. I hope this video can help you make decision which one should you get and which one good for your lifestyles and fit your lifestyles. Some of them are cosmetics, some of them is a must get, and some of them are good for family. So thanks again for watching, guys. Please like the video if you like and subscribe for the future content. We'll see you on the next video.